coffee is like sacred to my heart, and I have a lot, probably too much. And I just want to know, like, talk to me about all these drinks that you hear, the ones that you have that you might have heard from other places, but here is different.
Yeah, so all of our coffee drinks are made with our Australian espresso. So that's the first way they're different.
Okay.
And then our menu is a little different because it's Australian style. Like, we have no thermoses or pots of coffee that sit out during the day. Our coffee is made fresh, every single cup. So even if you get a long black, which is kind of like an Americano, only better, the long black, it's a black coffee, but it's made fresh for you.
Okay.
It's not in a pot that you're going to just push in. So yeah, so that's one thing that's different. And then the way we do it is a little different too. So we'll talk about that. So we're just going to run a shot.
And so are you making a long black right now?
Yeah, let's do a long black first.
Okay.
It's a good one to do. So we time every shot that we do. And timing is important because if you want to be consistent, your pour needs to be a certain time. If you do it too short, it's going to be weak, and if you run it too long, it's going to taste burnt. So we want every cup of coffee that people get to taste perfect every single time.
Okay.
So we time our shots, and that one was perfect, 22 seconds, awesome. We run between 20 and 30 seconds on our shots. So that's a double shot right there.
Okay, that's going to put some hair on your chest.
Isn't that pretty?
Show them that. That looks
so nice. Can you see it?
A little closer.
This way. There we go. Okay, and then so we're just running a long black, which is espresso and water. And then some of our customers love it with milk or cream. They pour in what they like.
Okay.
But a lot of people have said they don't even need to put sugar in our coffee because it's not bitter. It's very smooth, robust, but very smooth.
Okay.
And you can see here on this coffee that you've still got that beautiful crema on top. So when you take this to someone, it's so nice.
Oh my gosh.
Am I good? So that's really fun.
That's like
and
Instagram beautiful.
It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. And it tastes great. So, again, we're just very precise because in Australia, the coffee is a big thing.
Okay.
People are extremely fussy about their coffee. And so we're also going to make sure, not only are we timing our shots to make sure that they are lasting the perfect amount of time, but also when we're frothing our milk, we have a thermometer in every milk we froth. Because if you overheat your milk, it gets very thin. It's too hot and it's very thin. So we don't want that. We want this to be like almost like a milkshake. We want the milk to be thick and beautiful, okay? And the other thing is, I'm just going to froth this real quick. The other thing is, we want to have a frothing where the froth is beautiful and marshmallowy. We don't want it to have a lot of bubbles in it, you know. We want it to be lovely so that when someone's going to drink their coffee, they've got this beautiful foam on.
Oh, so I didn't know that. I thought it was supposed to be bubbled. I don't know.
We don't want any
Look
bubbles
at that. Can you go in close?
So the way we froth, we want it shiny and like a marshmallow. Do you see that?
Yeah. Let's see if we can see that on there.
And it's also the perfect temperature, so it's not going to taste thin or overheated, and it's not going to be cold. Because you don't want it, you don't want to ever have coffee where it's not hot enough, because that's gross too. So that's why a thermometer in every cup. So we're very consistent on all those things, and that makes it very, very good and very consistent. You're not going to get a bad cup of coffee here. And our machine is fully manual. It's not automated where you just stick a cup under and it just happens. It's all done by hand, the way that they do it in Australia. And so you craft a cup of coffee that's going to be really delicious. So
and that's the perfect word. She's crafting it. You didn't see it, but she ground it fresh. She tamped it. She did not have pre-ground beans, and she just, oh my gosh.
And so this would be our lovely cap. There's a cappuccino. And you can just see the crema on that, and the beautiful foam, and there's not a bubble. And it's not overheated. And so when you taste this, which I hope you'll do.
I'm going to.
And you're going to find that it really lends to the overall experience of the coffee. Because of every component of making it, from roasting the beans, getting the beans sourced from the right area, making sure that you are grinding them fresh. They never sit for more than 10 minutes. We're grinding every cup fresh. And then you're running it for the perfect timing. And you're also using trained baristas who are skilled at this. And then frothing the milk and having the right temperature is also really important. And so all those steps make for a perfect cup of Australian coffee.
Oh my gosh, that looks amazing.
Yeah.
And is there any, like, I know people are into their kind of like fun and different coffees. Is there anything like unusual or weird flavors or something that's a little less classic that you do?
Yeah, they're very, very classic in Sydney, and we stick to that pretty closely. I do have homemade vanilla syrup that we make with vanilla beans that people love, and we do have Vienna with homemade whipped cream, which is a long black, so it's the beautiful crema with the black coffee, and then we put our homemade whipped cream on top, and people drink it through the whipped cream, and that's one of our best sellers too. It's great.
Wait, so I just want to make sure everyone heard that. You make your own vanilla syrup with
Yes.
a bean. That's not, we're not glossing over that because I get super excited. What?
Yeah, and then this is the like best thing. So we're gonna turn this long black into a
Oh my gosh, I love,
right?
love whipped cream.
Into a Vienna. And that is just, if I could get it without spilling our coffee everywhere. There we go.
That is
A little bit
beautiful.
more. And this is just the best thing you've had in a while. You're gonna love it.
So you make that fresh here, obviously.
Everything is made from scratch. Yeah.
So
including
not-
our vanilla syrup.
Not getting squirted out of a can.
No.
No way. And
No.
your vanilla syrup, you take a bean and you.
Yeah, we cut vanilla beans and scrape them and make vanilla syrup out of them.
Oh my gosh.
So that it's homemade. Yeah. And
So-
it's just so good.
You guys got to come here and try this because I bet some people think like, oh, it's vanilla extract. Before it's vanilla extract, it's a bean,
That's right.
and
That's
it's hard to
right.
do, right?
And
Because
it
you don't
tastes
get.
different when you do it from scratch. There's again just that level of delicious, like gourmet. You know, it's really good.
Can you just show them these coffees? They're beautiful, and I don't know how long they're gonna be around because I want to try some. Oh my gosh, that is
So
beautiful.
Sonia, go ahead, go on in. And
I'm gonna try this. This looks amazing. I'm so impressed that you do this. I always had a fantasy of having my own. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't even know we were still filming. I thought we were done. I was
I
like,
know.
I'm gonna have whipped cream.
our director's saying, "Turn around,
I know.
Sonia."
I just saw the whipped cream and coffee and was like, I'm done. No, I always had a fantasy of having my own business, and I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I still have no idea. But there's time, and so I'm just so impressed with people.
Well, and you're doing this. So,
Yeah, I love talking to people and hearing like their story. You know, like how do other people? I have to have this.
It's hot, so just careful there.
You just got 2 thumbs up there from the cookie. There's no cookie actually.
Is our Cookie Monster happy over there? She's happy, girl.
Oh my gosh. Are you being shy? You guys, sorry about that. I thought we were done filming, but I had to have a sip. This is spectacular. So it's like the rich black coffee, not bitter, not overly strong. I probably have whipped cream on my face.
A little.
I don't even care.
But
that is amazing. Maybe I need a little. Just a little dab.
You got it. You're
Thank you
good.
so
Okay,
much.
yeah.
So this is Recipes Bakery, Santa Monica.
No, Santa Barbara.
I'm so sorry. I'm
I know
from
you
Los
travel
Angeles.
everywhere.
Yeah.
I get it. 604 Santa Barbara Street in Santa Barbara.
Yes. And the best thing they have to have is this, the Vienna.
Viennas are, yeah, you can't miss that.
The Vienna is
cinnamon roll.
cinnamon roll.
Maybe some ricotta pineapple pancakes.
That.
Some cinnamon roll French toast.
You make cinnamon roll French
yeah,
toast?
Yeah.
We're coming back for that. And the cookie Luma. You can't see, but the official cookie taster. You want to come back here and do your double thumbs up? Come back here.
Come with us, Luma. Come right here.
Stand right here in front. What are the cookies like? Are they 2 thumbs up?
Yeah.
Oh! Thank you so much
The
for
experts
watching.
have spoken.
Yes, they have. Come and try Michelle's Recipes Bakery in Santa
Barbara.
Thanks so much for watching.